Andy Firth, chwarae bel yn fyr at John Disney. Disney, troi yn canfod, mae gan fo rywfaint o le ag amser. Pêl hir letawrs gan fo, Harrington! A Harrington yn codi'r bêl dros y bar. Strachulus a Harrington sy'n gwmpas on. Harrington i gadael i. Strachulus yn cymanu'r bêl i mewn at Wild! A peniad Michael Wild yn rhoi'r tîm carter y blaen. A cic Strachulus i mewn yn glanio yn berffaith ar ben Michael Wild. Ac o 6 llath, dim camgymeriad gan yr ymysodwr profiadol. Pêl uniongyrchol ymlaen gan Emlyn Lewis. Yn canfod Elliot Evans, Evans yn troi! A iergyd o yn fflachio ar draws wyneb y gôl. Dyna di'r agosa, mae'r ymwelwyr wedi dod at sgorio hyd yma. Andy Firth. Taro'r bêl yn hir. Wild yno, yn gwyliog yn disgwyl. Mae bêl dod allan at Ben Nash. Nash wedi aros ymlaen. Bradley, tu allan iddo fo. Callum Bradley! A iergyd o dros y bar. Mae bêl di dod at Callum Bradley. Bradley allan o Strachulus. Strachulus yn gweld bo Wild o'i flaen o. Dyma fo, Michael Wild! A Michael Wild yn sgorio i ail o'r pnawn. A fe gymerodd o hwnna'n wych. Ac am yr ail benwthnos o'r bron, mae Michael Wild i sgorio 2.
I thought today was about lots of things that go under the radar, you know, for people who aren't managing a group, and I thought we trained ever so well Tuesday, Thursday. The standards were so high in training, and I was seeing that from them today. Lots of unsung heroes on the pitch today doing their job to make sure we could win the game, but Wildy takes the plaudits with his 2 goals and Strats with the delivery, but you know, I thought everyone on the pitch was excellent today.
Moments sy'n ennill gêm weithiau, allwch chi cadw meddiant, allwch chi really gweithio'n galed a pethau fel yna, ond moments bach, as chi'n switching off yn erbyn pobl fel Michael Wild neu George Aran a pobl sy'n gallu rhoi'r pêl yn cefn y rwyd, chi'n mynd i stryglo. So, na, pob clod iddyn nhw heddi, o'n nhw wedi gosod lan yn dda, a fi'n credu bod maen nhw'n mynd i gwythio y le i fod yn y top 3.
As I'm sure you'd say, it's not just about you, the delivery for that second goal was fantastic.
It was, yeah, I think there's no question upon the quality that Strat possesses when the ball's at his feet. I think you know, he's a really good deliverer of the ball. I think if we just manage to get them balls in certain areas, I can thrive off them, and that's something that you know, I'd like to think that I've done over the years.